All right, motorbike enthusiasts, hold on to your helmets because today, I'm taking you on an exclusive tour inside the legendary Harley-Davidson Factory in 2026. We're diving deep into the heart of the assembly line, where the magic happens, and these iconic motorbikes are built by hand. First up, let's start with the frame assembly. Imagine this, a robust steel frame, the skeleton of every Harley-Davidson bike. Skilled technicians meticulously weld and assemble each frame, ensuring it meets the highest standards. This isn't just any ordinary work, it's craftsmanship at its finest. Next, we move to the engine assembly. This is the powerhouse of your ride. Each engine is assembled by hand, piece by piece. Pistons, cylinders, and crankshafts are carefully fitted together. This process requires precision and expertise. The sound of torque wrenches and the smell of fresh oil is like music to any biker's ears. Now let's talk about the paint shop. Harley-Davidson bikes are known for their stunning finishes. In 2026, they've taken it up a notch. The frames and parts go through a state-of-the-art painting process, but don't be fooled, this isn't some automated paint job. Skilled painters apply multiple coats by hand, ensuring each bike has that perfect, eye-catching finish. Moving along, we head to the assembly line. This is where it all comes together. Experienced workers install the engine into the frame, followed by the transmission and then the exhaust system. Each step is performed with precision. It's a dance of mechanical prowess and human skill. Then we have the wheels and tires. Each wheel is mounted and balanced by hand. Attention to detail here is crucial for that smooth ride. Workers check and double-check everything, ensuring the alignment is perfect. One of the final steps is the electrical system. Technicians meticulously install the wiring harness, connecting all the electrical components. This step is crucial, as it ensures your bike's lights, indicators, and digital displays work flawlessly. Before these beauties roll off the line, they go through a rigorous quality control check. Each bike is inspected from top to bottom. Test riders take them for a spin to ensure everything is perfect, from the engine's roar to the smoothness of the ride. And there you have it. A sneak peek into how Harley-Davidson motorbikes are built by hand in 2026. It's a blend of tradition and innovation, craftsmanship, and technology. For anyone who loves these iconic machines, understanding the effort and passion that goes into creating them makes the ride even sweeter. Thanks for joining me on this tour. If you enjoyed this inside look, hit that like button and subscribe for more exclusive content. And remember, keep the rubber side down and ride safe.